Hello my friends, as promised I'm back to do a quick flip through of this little journal that I made the other day for my friend's brother that took in a foster child who is 14-year-old girl. So with that in mind, that's why I chose everything I chose and for this journal. So I said I did more decorating than I said I was going to do, so let me show you what I did. I did put this, we did it all, we put it together the other day. If you didn't see that video, just look back a video, a day or two and you'll find it. It was this week, a video this week. And so, yeah, we have this cover that is cardstock, double-sided cardstock with hearts on it. You can see all the pretty hearts here, front and back. And then I put this piece on the front that was from the journal, from the paper pad, some cut aparts, and it says, create what you want to be a part of. I thought that would look really pretty on there. And of course it coordinates because it was from the same paper pack. I did go ahead and put some, I don't know how much or little she'll put in here, but I figured whatever, in a way to keep it. I wasn't going to put a closure on here, but I thought if she packs it full, she's going to need something to keep everything together. So I put this a ribbon closure. I just sewed a ribbon. I sewed it here and sewed it here. And so it's got a little ribbon closure now. So I'm going to open it up. I have a few scraps I'm going to put in here while we're looking at this. But we had this pretty paper that we opened up to that coordinates with this page here and the hearts and everything. And in here I just I put some of my handmade things, so just so she can get ideas of what you can do. And I thought this eyeball would be great for a 14-year-old girl. Just this little kind of modern, even though it's vintage, like with the book pages. I just thought maybe she would like that. And you can write on the back. It's got fabric. Just one second. All of a sudden, I've got a piece of dust. Sorry about that. All of a sudden, I felt like I had a piece of dust in my throat or something. My throat was dry. Anyway, as I was saying, I thought she might like this one. It was one of the more kind of less vintagey book page tags that I had with this eyeball on it. So I thought she might like that, and just something different that she can look at. Even if she doesn't do anything in this, but look through it. Some interesting things to look through and maybe get ideas. So this is a little handmade tag that's got a ribbon here as the topper through a slot punch. I think I put that through a slot punch, but I also think I stapled it there. And it's a little building or a house or something, an apartment building in the city. So just try to pick up things that 14-year-old girl might get a kick out of. This is a breakfast. This is from a cookbook, I guess. Or let's see if I can feel it and tell. I'm not sure. But it's a cup of coffee with some pancakes and orange juice. So cute, right? And it's got writing space on the back. Backed on a file folder. And I just so happen to have, it's hearts again. So I just happen to have this in my crafty stash, a little notebook with a heart paper on the front. So I put that in there. And then here this was a journaling card in the paper pack. It says, this moment, here and now, this happened, this story, I like it. So, we'll see. I won't see, but, I just thought, I try to put in things that she might like I said, and it matches, and it looks cute there. And I left a pocket on the side so she could see like, oh, you can make cool, there's a pocket here type thing. This looked like something a 14-year-old girl would like. I love it. But I'm like, I guess I'm 14 on the inside. Hello, and it's like almost like a ring from a drink there. But really, I think it's really cool, like with the splotches. And there's splotches on the paper in here too, so everything kind of goes together in one way or the other. So that's a pocket. And then we have the black and white flowers that I said she could color, paint, colored pencils, or markers, whatever she might have. I'm sure she'll get something like that for Christmas from all the people that are giving her Christmas presents. This is some of my pink dyed paper, and I put this little heart here. So as a decoration. Now, it just so happens my friend that is the sister of the brother that took the foster child in gave me this trim right here. So I decided to, I was thinking about putting some trim in here. I was like, oh, let me use some of that trim that, her mom gave me. And here it is. There's a piece of it there, real pretty trim. So something, textile wise and, a different texture that she can, even if she just runs her hand over it or looks at it, it's just kind of neat to, kind of, it stimulates all your senses as far as touch and sight and things like that. So, so anyway, here's the doily. Blue color, food color dyed doily. Graph paper. The brown paper packaging. The envelope on the ledger paper. And in the envelope, I put several papers that she can write on. So, in here, I have just a piece of paper from a steno pad. And then I have several papers that I made into, when I made my homemade note paper. So this one has a surfboard on it with sunglasses and a little shell. This one has a couple of crabs on it, a couple of cute little crabs. And then this one has a pair of flip-flops and a fireworks. So I thought she might like those. So lots of writing paper, and she can always take it, and if she thinks of it, glue it down somewhere, here, there, wherever. So lots of writing paper. And hopefully she'll have some of her own things to put in here. Maybe glue in, write, from school, or maybe she has a boyfriend. Here is the envelope flap. I put this little butterfly strip on there for decoration from the paper pad. And in here, some journaling cards. This one has numbered 1 through 6, and it says my favorites. And then a couple of journaling cards. I thought these were really cute. Looks like something a teenager would like. An arrow with the word this on it. She could glue that down somewhere. And this one has a big star on it. I thought that was cute. I love that. I love both of those. I love that star though. It's really cool. I love the star. This is my blue splotchy paper. Food color dyed, and then the green with the lines on it, the magazine page, the kids writing paper, and a calendar page, the cupcake coloring book page, and a card with pretty flowers on it, notebook paper. And then pocket here, I did put a little, this is a sticker with lines on it, like a little note sticker, so I put that there on the pocket. So she could maybe add some stickers or something here if she wants, but she can write there if she wants. And then here's another drilling card from the paper pad cut apart that has hearts on it. And then here, this is some stickers, these are planner stickers, but I thought she might be able to use those. And the colors are pretty, so I put those in there. And this was cute. I thought I had this in with some of my junk journaling stuff that I've been using recently, and it says smile like a banana. So I thought that was cute. And maybe it'll make her smile, if she needs a reason to smile. On the strings, I put little hearts. I have a bunch of hearts that I already have cut out from a paper punch, so I just put 2 hearts and glued them together. On the end of the strings, there are 2 paper hearts on each one. I think one might be, some of them might be cardstock, but whatever, I just, how I do. I use up my scraps a lot of time just with my paper punches. Here I did put a little belly band type thing. This was a little cut apart from the paper pad. Look at that, these cute little owls on them. And then I put a sale price sticker. I mean, not sticker, it's just a little sale price tag in there for fun. And then this is another piece of note paper. I already had this in my stash. Thought it would be perfect for her. Go girl. So fun little note paper there. Go girl. And then this is a dinosaur. This is actually a ticket from a planetarium. I got this at a thrift store, I guess. And from 2007 to 2008. And I thought she could use this as a bookmark. You know, and girls, as my granddaughter just had a dinosaur birthday party. Girls and boys like dinosaurs. So anyway, I thought she might like that. And then this is a little tag that I wanted her to see some handmade things too. So this is a little tag sewn around with carrots and a little flower and a little description of a plant there. So just a little handmade ephemera journaling card, and this is just a little tag with flowers on it. That is in there. So this is are we on the back half, I think now? So the notebook paper, the back of the card, the cupcakes. Here on the back of this calendar, this is a calendar page. I put one of my little tea bag pockets. So this is a tea bag, you know, the outer part of the tea bag where the tea bag goes in there. I had decorated these on video one time. And I have in here, I think it's just one tag. See, and I put the tea tag on the actual original tea tag from the tea bag onto a tag here. And this little tag has shoes on the back. So that's cute for her, I think. And let me grab a tissue. As we turn the page, let me have that hanging out like that. That would be cute. And then, you know, the same page is magazine page. The dyed pages, ledger, the brown paper, graph paper. I did put a little label here, a little blue label, and this is blue line, so I thought that looked good together. Some more of that trim here. I put the trim on the resume paper because it's a little bit heavier paper and it could handle the trim, because the trim is quite, you know, adds quite a bit of weight to the page. Here was another cut apart from the paper pad. It says, it has this. These were two, I guess you could cut these out separately, but I left them together. A little measuring, like little ruler type measuring tape type thing. And this says your story is unique. So that, and then the flowers, and then let's put these scraps back here in the back. I've got 3 tags back here too, but I think this packet can handle it. I've got little strips of scrap here. This is from the calendar. It's pretty. I mean, she could put these things together in some way, but she could do whatever she wants if she, you know, wants to get creative. And then this little strip. And then these are all little kind of more modern things that I had made, ephemera, and I have trouble using these anyway. So but they're great for like a teenager. So these are from these two. I think both of these are from a My Little Pony comic book ephemera that I had made from that comic book. So those are in here. And then I have one from Star Wars. This is Chewbacca. And this is white on the back, so she could write on there if she wanted to. But, you know, I think everybody knows Star Wars because there's old and new Star Wars. And then this is from a Disney comic book. That's from a Star Wars comic book. And this is from a Disney comic book. So there's some fun tags there in the back. And then I put this whole thing of stickers in here. I just tucked it in here like this. I'm going to do it like that because I think I made one travel journal in the last year. So, you know, I don't know when I'll even use, you know, I don't know if I'll make a travel journal this year or not. So I figured I would let her have some fun with these. And I thought it was some that she would like. You know, little postcards. I think those are really cute. A bike, a hot air balloon. You know, here's another bike down here. A camera, two cameras here. A Polaroid, like a Polaroid and a regular camera. So anyway, I just thought she might like. I was hoping she will. I hope she likes those. And so I'm just gonna leave it at that, so that I'm going to give it to my friend. I'm not going to wrap it because I know she's going to want to see it. So it would be, you know, like futile for me to wrap it. So I'm just going to give it to her like this, maybe in a Ziploc bag or something like that. one of my cellophane bags, something like that, so it's protected. And then she can give it to her, and she can wrap it or just put it along with the stuff she's giving her. So that's it. And I hope you enjoyed the flip through and the making of the video where we made it together. And let me know what you think. Do you think the 14-year-old will like this journal? I think she will. So anyway, have a great day, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a great day.